Hi, I haven't rehearsed this. Most of my videos are just extemporaneous, so bear with me. I'm going to go over to, yeah, electric. That's right. Click on ceiling light, place the ceiling light. Oops. Come on, go away. There you go. And let's see, I guess that's not a ball. Not exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to use, I'll select this. I'm going to use the, this is the edit toolbar, by the way. Whenever you select something, it appears, and when you deselect anything, it goes away. And if it's not docked down here where it usually is, it'll say, you can see that it says edit on it. Okay. So I'm going to go here and use this icon, replace from library. I want that recessed can you were talking about. So I'm going to open that dialog and click on that, and I want to go to ceiling lights. Not outside lights. We want ceiling mounted, yeah. Reset. And then I'm gonna use a 6-inch can. I don't know what you're doing, but it doesn't matter. The same procedure works. See, now I just changed that to what I do want, which is a recessed can. Now that it's in the plan view, I can go over here to I believe it's Cad. Yeah, Cad Block Management. Left click. And this is where all the little 2D symbols are for everything that's in the plan. So we'll just scroll down until we see the electric symbol I want to deal with. There it is. Recessed down light. See, and there's the 2-dimensional symbol. Now what I'm going to do is see in this dialog there's an insert command. And so here's the light, the 3D symbol, and here's the 2D symbol. I'm going to take that and use the explode command, explode Cad block. This is a symbol, this is a Cad block. Now that it's exploded, I can edit items that are part of it. So we'll open that, we'll just change that to a capital E. I don't know why you wanted E there, but this is the way you do it. Now I'm going to marquee select this. See, this is a Cad block of Cad lines, and this is a piece of text. I'm going to marquee select them and use the block command. Make Cad block. Left click, and I'm going to open that. And of course, every object in Chief Architect has a dialog box. And right now it's just called block. I'm going to change the name of this to E block. Well, I should make it capital E. Okay, now I can go to this. Now that I've created this, you could just use this, but if you wanted to alter this symbol in plan view, this doesn't alter the symbol in your library browser. It just alters this one instance. I'm going to click on that 3D symbol and then use this command here. See, it looks like a pencil in a chair. Open symbol. And this is where you can alter and customize a symbol. We're going to go to the 2D block tab of this dialog. And there it is right there, E block. So you can generate a block. Of course, that doesn't do get done what you want to get done. Or you can take this two-dimensional symbol that I created and select it instead of the default symbol. Let me just cancel out of this. See, when you open this with this command right here, open symbol, 2D block, and that's the block that it's using right now. Recessed down like 6/2. Now why it's 6/2, I don't know, but these are identical. And I'm not going to select these because it says R. I'm going to select the one that I made, E. Click OK. Now this symbol may be hard to see it in 3D, but yeah. Well, let me draw some walls around it. See, this is just a two-dimensional block of text and CAD lines. This is a symbol. So I'm gonna, to make this easier to see, I'm gonna just go around this with some walls. So this will create a ceiling, which should help it, should make it easier for us to see it in a camera view. You won't be able to see this because it's just a two-dimensional block. That's, oh, okay. Let me use the tilt camera. Yeah. Where is that thing? Hooey. Let me check the dialogue on this thing. Okay, where's the, oh, offset from ceiling. It's out of the, we'll set that to 0. I never seen that happen before. And there it is. See, it was set into the floor for some reason. Like I said in my initial post, there's a dialogue box, or maybe it wasn't you. No, it was somebody on my YouTube site. There's always a dialogue box for every object, and there's always something you can do within the limitations of the software to customize and control things you want to control. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day.